This is a message to all you immigrants, people who are from foreign countries who are trying their best to learn the English language. Thank you. Welcome to the United States. Well, they do say that the English language is the hardest language to learn for a reason. And I'm about to help you all explain how to get really good at it. It's pretty simple. We've got big words and we've got long words. The long words, lots of syllables. The long words are needed, but often it's very best to talk with the little words, one or two syllables. Why? Because you're going to find out most Americans are really not as intelligent and articulate and literate, and they've gotten by with simple language, using their simple common sense and their smarts. They never needed to learn all the big long syllables. Now here's an example in the English language. You've got man goes out the bar to look for woman, wants woman to come home and spend the night with him. Goes to the bar, the pickup bar, and he buys a drink. No women want to go home with the man. So the man says, I'm going to go over to the other pickup bar I know about. He goes to the other bar and buys a drink. No women at that bar want to go home with the man. So the man says, I got one more bar I'm going to try tonight. It's really a hot one. Man drives over to the other bar, sits down, has a drink. Tries to pick up women, convince her to go home and spend the night. No women in the bar want to go home with the man. So the man, I'm having a bad night, has one more drink, gets in his car, and he starts to drive home, and he has terrible accident. Terrible, terrible, terrible accident. In the news, when they report the accident, people will describe what happened to him. Now here's what you don't want to do. You don't want to go home to your wife and your children and your mother-in-law and say, man had terrible accident. His head was discombobulated. That's an English word. 6 syllables. There's another word. Man could say, had terrible accident. Head was decapitated. That's 5 syllables. Decapacitated. This is not the right word. Decapitated is the right word. And that's one of the tricky words. A lot of words sound alike. The big words could sound alike. Now, if you're a man of simple words, you use head torn off. All the kids will scream and fear and cry and have nightmares, and wife will not let you have sex for maybe a month. It'll take a long time to get over that one, buddy. Mother-in-law will talk to daughter, say, see, I told you about him, didn't I? So that's the secret to learning the English language, our new friends. You have to learn when to say the little words and when to use the big words. Welcome to America.
I don't give a rat's patootie if you like, subscribe, and comment or not. Well, that's a damn lie. Ha, ha, ha.